In today's video, you'll see some relaxing, detailed toenail cleaning on a client of 22 years who has been working on restoring her nails from a yeast toenail fungus and the amazing progress. So stay tuned and pay no attention to my ugly nails. I explain why during the video.
Came to move from their old house to move the really heavy stuff to gun safes.
If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications in case you are chosen as the winner in the random comment game.
Grandma decided she did not need to go to the water park with 6 8-year-olds. So I'm just going to the birthday party when I come here at the house.
Right.
And my sister Melody fell on her sister's weekend and broke her ankle in 2 spots. So instead of having the fun sisters week that we had planned with the rented penthouse at the Holiday Inn, we spent all the days in the hospital in Charlevoix, where she had surgery and had plates and screws put in.
Oh my goodness.
So we've been going out there, my sister and I, every day because she can't. Today she went back to Petoskey to the doctor to get the stitches out, and hopefully they'll put some kind of a walking cast on her. So yeah, it's been a little tense at my house. I'm actually looking forward to going home after the party tonight, just working on my flower gardens for a while. But no electricity.
Oh
Yeah,
my
it was-
gosh, that's the
but
day
you
that the
guys
power
were-
went out.
Yeah, I felt bad for her.
Yeah, that's the day we were at the manufacturing
Yeah.
plant.
Yeah. So are they under production yet?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good.
They are. Yeah, I'm actually gonna call and ask him if we can go and pick up a
Like the first run
portion.
or something.
Well, just because there's so many of them, and
Oh, yeah. To take
you
all
know,
one time it
yeah, if I wait until they do the whole 1,000 of them,
yeah.
they said it was going to be 12 days, but I might be able to get 100 of them, you know, by the weekend.
Well, again, sent out the orders completed. And then
Yeah,
so you don't
because we have a
much
bunch of
storage either.
pre-orders that we need. My nails are so nasty. I took my nails off last night so I could type all day today, and I forgot that I had to work.
Whoops.
Yeah.
Shoot. Well, I'm glad your trade show was a success.
It was fantastic.
Is this the first time you guys have actually done the demos, or?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and you think it was worth your while?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Does the location change every year?
There's shows
Or
all
depending
over
on
the
which
United
ones you go
States.
to.
Yeah, this show is always in the same place. You know, this
Whatever
little
you just
mini
do, just
buffer
gets too
block
neat.
is the most
So cool.
simple
You know
tool
what? I
and
got here so
also
early,
the
I have
most
no idea what
necessary
temperature it is
tool,
outside.
especially when doing a service like this, to remove any
I've been
of
going
the
out to
little
work in
bits
my
and
car
pieces
when it's
left
6:10 in
around
the morning
the nail
because
plate that are
it's
just
just
too
getting
hard to
so
get off
hot so
with
fast.
any other piece of equipment.
Did you work outside?
Right.
Your boys working outside?
Yep. William has a dog walking job. She comes and picks him up 4 days a week.
Oh, good.
And Evan is working with Bruce every day.
You guys are building an empire.
As you can see, her toes are starting to change shape just from aging and arthritis, and that second toe puts pressure on that big toe when she
Poor Bruce, I
walks.
feel bad for him.
Why?
Well, I mean, that's a lot of orders to fill and to box and to ship and,
He has help.
well, that's true.
They have a system, everything's down pat.
Does he like not being here every day or no?
No, I mean, he'll still come over a little bit during the day and talk and hang out and stuff. I think he
that's
gets
good then.
lonely over there by himself.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Well, when other people aren't there.
Yeah.
Now, she's been fighting this toenail fungus for a couple of years now, and one of the reasons is because the pressure that that second toe puts on the area, you can see it's right where that presses on it. But another reason is because she wears nail polish while she's using the product, the nail mycosis, and when you can't see the issue, then you don't remember to put it on every single day. And if she would just go without polish for a couple of months, that probably would go away 100%.
I know you're always so meticulous about that because
Right.
of what you do.
I'm always put together, but I was going to spend 8 hours typing today.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
You guys staying home for the 4th?
We have to move Evan's bedroom downstairs in the basement, so yeah. I'm really excited to tell you that we have lots and lots of people taking the Meticulous Manicurist online training to become part of my network, so hopefully you'll be able to find them as soon as they complete the course. I'll be adding them to the network link on the academy.themeticulousmanicurist.com. And for years to come, I'm excited about my network growing and nail techs having the necessary education they need in order to provide the best service possible for people who are having issues with their toenails. And there are gift certificates now available to purchase on the Academy site, so if your nail technician is looking to take my online training, you can purchase them a gift card to go toward the total. And anyone at home who has a specific issue that they're trying to handle for a family member, you can take an individual course to learn how to do it properly on my Academy site.
Now, I brought those, do you think those will work or not? No.
So here's the thing, the way that your feet have been today,
Don't.
I'm polishing them without anything on them because
Okay.
I have to be able to polish your toes.
Okay.
And when you get a stiff platform under people's feet and that
Then they
material
don't.
of shoe is super stiff, I won't be able to polish your toes.
Okay.
So we're gonna do it like this and then we'll slide your shoes on in a little bit.
So her compromise to help her nail fungus go away faster is to use a lighter polish so she can see through it a little bit. So it will remind her to keep putting it on. But this video was filmed about a year ago, and I have to tell you that it did get worse before it started to get better again. So if anybody is battling this at home, please take my advice and leave them bare for a couple of months while you're using the product so it will go away very, very fast, because the nail mycosis cannot penetrate through nail polish, can only soak in around the free edge of the nail and down into the sidewall, and that really isn't getting to the complete issue of the nail. The before and after pictures are coming right up, but I want you to please stay safe and stay well. I appreciate you all for being here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. And many of you may be new here and you might not know that I have a second YouTube channel. It's called the Meticulous Manicurist Nail Academy. So head on over to that channel and subscribe too. I'll be uploading a lot more nail and manicure videos for your learning enjoyment. A few things that I use in this video that I don't talk about often is the fast drying top coat. It's called Out the Door, and my number 2 cleanup brush, and I'll use that here in a second that you'll see. And every single thing that you see me use in my videos you can find on my online store. And the holidays are coming up, so keep your loved ones in mind. You can find the link to the online store at themeticulousmanicurist.com, then click online store.
7 days anyway, and when I use a light color, it's just easier for me to keep it up. And then eventually take it off at the end of the week and start. I'm so glad we met so many years ago, and I am just professionally helped, and I count you as a friend too, but just you're so knowledgeable and continue to work at it. I'm very proud of what you do.
Thank you.
A wonderful young businesswoman.
Yeah, it's always been fun to... I have so many business people as clients, and I think that it's been fun comparing stories and stuff over the years. I even have one client who, she's a consultant for other companies, but she seems to have, I don't know, sometimes there's drama that she needs to take care of, but she's not used to it. So she comes in and she says, what should I do? And I'm like, well, you should say this and you should say this. And she's like, can I write this down? I'm like, sure.
That's so funny.
Yes, you can write this down.
You know, other administrators will say that to me too. So, yeah, well, that's just what you do, you know. Here's from my experience, you know, use your own judgment, but here's what I do.
Right.
I think people appreciate that. I mean, if they ask you, I think they genuinely are looking for it, not just offer it. But
yeah, because otherwise I don't go, you know what you should do.
I know,
it's like,
I don't
no,
do
I
that
mind
either.
my own business.
Yeah, but if they ask, I try and, you know, if I have a suggestion.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.